You're just chilling, and suddenly, yep, here it comes the infamous hiccup. But what is a hiccup? Why does it happen? And can it ever be dangerous? Stick around, because the answer is way weirder and cooler than you think. A hiccup starts in your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle that separates your chest from your belly. It helps you breathe. But sometimes it throws a mini tantrum. It suddenly contracts, and at the same time, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that famous sound. Hiccups can be triggered by all kinds of things. Eating too fast. Drinking something cold or fizzy. Sudden changes in temperature. Laughing too hard. Or even, getting nervous. It's like your body's way of saying, whoa, slow down. No one knows exactly why hiccups happen, but scientists have theories. One idea is that hiccups are a leftover reflex from evolution. Babies hiccup in the womb, maybe to help develop their breathing muscles. Other scientists think it helped our amphibian ancestors keep water out of their lungs. Today, it's just a weird reflex we all get stuck with. Usually, hiccups are harmless and go away on their own. But if they last more than 48 hours, talk to a doctor. It could be a sign of nerve irritation or other medical issues. But don't worry, that's rare. So how do you get rid of hiccups? Try these tricks. Hold your breath. Drink water slowly. Swallow a spoonful of sugar. Or, get scared. Yup, it works for some. But honestly, most of the time, you just wait it out. Now you know all about hiccups. Tell us in the comments. What's the weirdest hiccup story you've had? Like, share, and follow for more bizarre body facts. See you next time!